everyone, Terrific Derek here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do some math. Excuse my handwriting, it's kind of bad. That's supposed to be an M. In this video, we will be doing multiplication, subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, algebra, fractions, decimals, and percentages. If you want a part 2, I'll need to get to 3 likes, so I know that you all want a part 2. In the part 2, we will be doing like A, B plus C is 9 million and stuff like that. So why don't we get into our video, and we will start out with some addition. This problem is for all of you kindergartners. So what you need to do is take a random number. In this case, I will do 9 plus 5. Now what we want to do here is, since we have 9 in this spot right here and 5 over here, that means we need to write 9 5s. So we will have to do this. There we go. You write that, and then you pretty much just write it back into your equals. So that's your answer. 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5. I don't know if I even counted right, but who knows? I don't care. Let's just move on to number 2, which will now be subtraction. Alright, in this problem, we have subtraction, which is 5 minus 25. What you want to do is right below that, 5 minus 25. And since there's a 5 right here and a 5 right here, we want to cross those two 5s out. And that leaves us with our answer, -2. That is how you do subtraction. Okay, number 3 is now going to be multiplication. So what we want to do here is take some random numbers, 18 times 2. And now it's kind of like addition, except you don't write 9 5s, you write 2 18s. So this time it's switched around from that. So 18 18. That is your answer. 18 18. That is how you do your multiplication. Alright, question number 4 is division. So 15 divided by 7. What we want to do here is pretty much just 15 and 7 together. Then your answer is 157. That is how you do your division, kids. Alright, question 5 is algebra. Now you may see some erase marks, don't mind that. We'll get to that later. Anyways, 22 plus x plus y minus 10 equals 360. This is our algebra, not algebra, but it's our algebra equation. So what you want to do here is take the number closest to the equation sign, which would be 10. Now, if 10 was replaced by a letter, that's okay. You still find the number nearest to the equation sign. If there's only one number in this equation, if there's only one number in the actual equation that's not on this side, but just one number on this side, then you can't even solve it, because that's not how math works. Anyways, you have to divide these two together. So that would be this, 10,360. Because you need to divide the number closest to the equation sign, or the equal sign, not the equation sign, and the actual answer. If this equation doesn't actually give you an answer, then don't solve it. It's not worth solving. You can't possibly solve this if it doesn't actually give you a number on this side. So you have to do that And then you go over to the number farthest from the equal sign. Okay, so you take the number farthest away from the equal sign. Here, you want to circle 22 and then put 22 over x because x is 22. So basically the number farthest away from the equal sign is actually and you know what, I'm not going to explain that because I don't have enough time for that. I am running from the space police. Don't ask me why, but yeah. Anyways, that will equal 22. X is 22 because 22 is x because I said so. Anyways, what we want to do here now is actually take our answer, the number from our answer, and take y and then say that equals y. So, why did we take this big number? Simply because we need to divide that x, y, which is 360, and this big number. We need to divide all of those numbers. So that would be 22, 360, and this is a pretty big number. So yeah, that's how you do your algebra. Let's move on to some fractions. Right. Question number 6 is fractions, so 3 over 14. Here, what you want to do is something called real world addition. It's really weird. It's kind of stupid, so you take 3, or you actually take 14, and then count 3 times, or let me explain it. It's kind of weird. I don't know who made this up, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, after you've counted to 14 with your fingers, I don't think you have 14 fingers, but that's okay. Anyways, once you've counted to 14, you count up 3 more times. So, 14, 15, 16, 17. It's really weird. I don't know who made this. It's kind of dumb, but whatever. So that would equal 17. That's actually all. That's how you do 6. So why don't we move on to some percentages? Okay, question 7, percentages. So you want to write down a random number like 36, put down a weird percentage sign. It's like an O, a diagonal line, and another O. It's really weird. I don't know who made that up, but anyways, you gotta do that. And then after you write that down, then you can do this. Because apparently, even though these O's look like O's, they're actually zeros. So they're 0 O's. They look like O's, but they're zeros apparently. So your answer would actually be 6,000. Or 6,000, no. 3,600. I cannot count today. That's kind of sad. I can't even count. I can't even look. I can't. Why? I had one job. Anyways, why don't we move on to question number 8, which will be decimals. Okay, decimals, question number 8. It's actually pretty simple. You write down our whole number right there, then you write this weird period looking thing. I don't know why you have to write down a period, but you do. And then you can just write a bunch of random numbers after that. So, that's really it. There's nothing else you have to do. Just write a big number, then put a period in it at some point, and then write some more numbers down. That's honestly just it. So, why don't we get to our outro? Thank you all so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe for some more cool videos. And don't forget to like the video. Once we get to 3 likes on this video, I will do some math with the ABCs, like A plus B equals C, which is really weird. I don't know how this works, but I'm gonna research that and then show you how to do it. Anyways, once we reach 3 likes, we'll start doing that. So I just want to say thank you all for watching, and I will see you later.